Hi everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on learning how to design your own store logo. We have found and discovered a wonderful program which is free. It's called Canva, and you can access it by going to canva.com and joining up and setting up a free account. And what we're going to do is go ahead using our specific dimensions and set up a store logo within 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you're logged in, click on Use Dimensions, and we're going to customize our own dimensions, okay? The dimensions you need are 300 by 300, and you go ahead and set that up, and it will set up the exact size for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and have a little bit of a play. You guys can spend some time playing with this after your tutorial. It really is easy and effortlessly to use this program. It does make you feel really clever after a while. So we do warn you, it is a little bit contagious. But yeah, go ahead and have a play with it. We'll also be looking at how to show you to set up your store banners as well. So let's go ahead. We're going to use our background here. So these are the different backgrounds that are free. There are some ones that cost money, but you'll be able to see. You can upload different documents as well and different images if you choose to. There's a whole variety of texts and circles and buttons and different items that you can add here. There's different elements that you can use, so frames and grids and shapes and lines and illustrations. So we'll leave you to go ahead and have a play with those. We're just going to set up a pretty simple one today. So we've selected our background. We're then going to go ahead and add some text. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of these items. We like this one. I actually prefer the white on the black. So what I'm going to do is select the text. I'm actually going to make that black. Okay, and then I'm going to make the circle white. So I'm going to click on the black up there and make it white. Perfect. Okay. So if you're not happy with this size of the font, you might think that it's actually quite small, and this is sort of experimental as you upload your profile image, because you do actually want in the 300 by 300 pixels them to clearly see the name of your store, which is your branding. So this actually won't get any bigger than that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, I've highlighted that and I've just hit the delete button, and I'm going to leave that for now. I'm actually going to go up here and make my own heading. That's already highlighted for me, so I'm going to go ahead and add, this is just a name that I've quickly made up, okay? This is way too large, so I'm just going to highlight that. I'm going to bring it back down, so it's a little bit like using Word, okay? So there's my four-way button. I'm going to bring that up and put it inside of that. We can actually probably go a little bit bigger if we wanted to. Let's try 36. Yeah, now I can adjust that again. I'm just waiting till I had that four-way arrow button. I can do that. Another really good thing you can do is put your copyright in, okay? That's already highlighted. I'd suggest you make it really small, okay? Double click on that. And this just keeps your logo that you've made safe, okay? So that's a good idea to put on all of your documents. It's highly recommended. If you wanted to go ahead and put a little element, you can put something. Let's have a look. If you wanted to do illustrations, icons, let's do hats. So maybe you want to put a teaching hat. Okay, let's see what teaching hats are available. So there's one there. Okay, so you can put that over there if you wanted to. You might want to move all of this down. Okay, so that's inside there. You might want to now shrink this, and you can pop it there, and that's fine. Okay, so if you don't like that, you can move it around. Okay, completely up to you how you set your logo up. It is yours. Okay, what we're going to do is rename that. So I'm going to click on the area here. I'm going to pull up my store logo. Okay, so that's done. When we download, we want to make sure we select PNG or JPEG and download that item, and you'll see that this is going to come over here. I'm actually using Google Chrome, so it will download and save it on the bottom area down underneath here. Once that's done, I'm going to drag and drop it over here onto my desktop. Okay, so you'll see that it's popped up there. And now what I'm going to do is upload it over to my area. Okay, what I've actually done is I'm inside my store, and I've gone over to administration and popped down to files. Okay, we've already got a video that shows you how to set up your file system. If we go onto a DBT sellers, FAQ sellers, you'll actually have a link down the bottom to go to your YouTube section, and that has a list of all of our YouTube videos available. that you'll see here. So this is accessible via the bottom footer in our website. On here we actually show you how to upload multiple products. I think it might be 9 or 10. Here it is here, how to upload multiple files, okay? So what we're doing is following that tutorial video. So I've gone to Files, and I'm going to go into my store logo. So I've set all this up already. I'm going to actually drag and drop that over, okay? So I can see that that's there, so that looks great. Now what I'm going to do is go to Vendors, okay? Then I'm going to select my name, which is here on the test. Once I select that, I'll be able to go to where it's logo inside my desktop, inside the dashboard, sorry. Select what we need to upload to this section, okay? So let's go to store logo. There it is right there. So I'm going to double click that, and that's going to upload it here, okay? Also for invoices, just make sure we do that as well. So that's there. Click save, and you should be able to see the new item that gets saved here. Okay, so there's our new logo, and that's how easy it is to upload store banners and profile images. This is where we're going to put our banner. The next tutorial we're about to make is how to design your own banner in Canva. So make sure you pop on the website and have a look at that. If you do need any help and assistance, please contact our support team. We look forward to seeing your creative banners.